morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, today the weather is not good. You can see it's so cold. I woke up just now because it's so cold. Oh my god, mula flower guys, I don't panic. Let's stop your ideas. Say, Ayu, I feel so pity. Finally, this is going to bloom, and I'm so excited. And the flower is going to be so beautiful. I even like this one. Let's go to my garden and let me show you. Whoa, mula brinjal de olase. And see, wow, this is the white in color one. Aro ito the purple lase. This is purple. See, every cute no eh. Aro ito eh. Ito eh. Wow, bisi olales. More this is the biggest amount of purple. See, it's still blooming. Mula beans can be man dong just aro pumpkin be dong just na. See, very fresh the hoy. This is the first piece of 2026. Aro mo yurko na paretay guti duro lese. Let's harvest some cabbage for boiled. I'm going to harvest even this one. Yo, malalay pata. See, so bichara. Fefe is becoming so naughty. Well, guys, let's go and get ready and go to work. Finally, I'm done getting ready and let's go. I hope you enjoyed this video with me and also like and subscribe. Let's buy some of this for tea. These keychains are so cute and I like all of these, so let me get it. So cute. Let's go and buy some stuff and eat and let's go home. This is veg pakora, pork chow, and finally dumplings. Let's go on our way. Well, guys, that's all for our video today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So stay tuned and see you in the next vlog.